Welcome back into 13 News This Morning. We're joined today with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And today we're recognizing our farmers because they are very important, especially when it comes to making our snacks. A lot of the ingredients that we're using, they actually help make, right?
Our soybean farmers.
Yes, and they're very, very important to us. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, but also we're making a snack that you can also snack on while you're watching a game.
You summed it up perfectly.
Yeah,
Yes.
I tried, Charlene.
We're making candied walnuts.
Okay.
And we're celebrating the end of harvest really across the state.
Of 12,000 farmers working hard.
That's right, of our soybean farmers. So what I've done is taken 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of water and just whisked it till it's nice and frothy.
I can do that.
And we've talked before, but the soybean meal is used to feed the chickens. So we've got that as part of that. So yes. Now we have 4 cups of walnut halves.
Okay.
But I put it, and you can add that into here, and I'm going to coat it.
I asked Charlene why I'm the one who has to add the crazy nuts.
And we're just going to toss that to cover them. And Raina, you have a tablespoon of sugar, or a tablespoon, or a cup of sugar, and 1/4 of a teaspoon. Well, put that,
this first. Okay.
It's early. You put that in there,
yeah.
and then stir that together.
She's
Very
an
good.
overachiever.
You know what's funny? Charlene actually went through with this before we started, and I still have some confusion. That's okay. We're good now.
But there's a reason why I only got like 1 basic ingredient, and she gave you a few things to do.
She knows.
All
She
right.
does.
Now you can add that. And I guess what I was going to say is we're using walnuts because it's in the salad that we're going to use in the next segment. But this would be great to use a variety of nuts.
I want some
Pecans, cashews, soy nuts, edamame, roasted edamame.
That's good.
Use a variety in there. And as you say, Raina, this would be a wonderful snack mix to have watching the football game and having that even in the tractor for our farmers.
I'm gonna need that sugar that's on the side. Can you get that mixed in there?
Yes. So this is our parchment lined pan here.
Okay.
Use parchment paper because that'll be easy for cleanup. We're just going to put those nuts in there. And then, Jared, later I will get a scraper and scrape all that sugar out. Because that's what makes this special. That's what glazes it. See how it's coated?
Yes.
Put that in the oven at 250 degrees.
Okay.
And then just turn them, stir them about every 15 minutes.
Okay.
And I usually do it a little bit longer than 30 minutes. You want it till that's all nice and absorbed and glazed. Let it cool.
Okay.
And then there you go. It's ready for a snack. It is.
So easy.
You can save it and have it in the salad we're going to make in a little bit.
Me and the Broyles girls can do this.
Yes,
Perfect.
you can.
Now, Charlene, where can we get more of these tasty and delicious recipes?
Go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN and we'll mail you all the recipes for October.
Charlene, you're the best. You never
you.
disappoint. We'll be right back after this.